Google Gemini just dropped a brand new feature, Nano Banana. This is part of Gemini 2.5 Flash Image, and honestly, it takes AI image editing to the next level. In today's video, we'll explore the key capabilities of Nano Banana, and I'll also show you real demo prompts with quick explanations so you can try them yourself. The first feature is identity consistency. No matter how much you change outfits or backgrounds, Gemini preserves your original look. I upload my image and gives prompt change my outfit into a wedding sherwani, but don't distort my face. This means even if you're changing clothes, Gemini makes sure your face, smile and identity remain exactly the same. No more weird distortions. Next is multi-turn editing. You don't need to create everything in one go. You can build your edit step by step, and Gemini remembers the entire context. I give prompts one by one. First prompt is, make the background New York City skyline. Second prompt is, now adjust the lighting to golden hour. Third prompt is, add sunglasses on me. Instead of typing a long, complicated prompt, you give simple steps. Gemini stacks them up, just like a Photoshop timeline, but with natural language. Blending and composition lets you combine multiple images into one frame seamlessly. I uploaded 2 images and I gave prompt merge my selfie with my friend's selfie into a single group photo of us sitting at the beach. Normally, mixing 2 pictures can look fake, but Gemini blends lighting, shadows, and angles, so it feels like a real photo. Style transfer allows you to transform images into artistic or creative styles. I uploaded an image and gave a prompt, convert my portrait into Van Gogh's Starry Night painting style. This isn't just a filter. It actually recreates your picture in the brushstrokes, textures, and vibes of the chosen art style. Background and outfit edits are now more powerful than ever. I uploaded an image and gave prompt change this image background to Paris with the Eiffel Tower. With one line, you can change location or fashion, and it still looks realistic, like you actually traveled or shopped. And finally, here are some fun and creative experiments you can try. I uploaded an image and gave prompt show this image in a superhero costume flying pose. These are just for fun, but it shows how far Gemini has come. From professional edits to playful creativity, everything is just one prompt away. These were the powerful features of Google Gemini's Nano Banana. If you enjoyed this demo, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.